Okay, here is the finished product. There you go, all cooked and finished. Here we're gonna do 3 at a time, and you got a powder like this so that they don't stick. I got 6 more to go. I think I have enough mix. So this is a good one here, and they look really pretty. We got spinach pies are coming up very nicely. There's nothing like fresh stuff you can pick up from your garden. Lucky I have a big place, so you got the garden. I have a feeling we can make. I'm gonna have to overdose these guys because from the look of it, I have enough for 2 more, but I'm gonna squeeze them all into. I don't want to make any more. It takes an hour and a half for a dough to rise again. No time. After this, I'm gonna make fattoush. Fattoush is one of the most famous salad, Lebanese specialty. And wherever you go, whatever you eat in a restaurant, fattoush is one of the aperitif. It comes with it. It is basically it's a salad, regular salad, more like it, but they mix things in it. Pomegranate juice sometimes, and the procedure is the same as making a regular salad. And then they toast the Arabic bread. You can garlic it also before. Olive oil. Sumac, lemon. Some people put pomegranate. I do. Pomegranate sauce. It just it has a pomegranate molasses, not a sauce, molasses. It has a good taste. Once you put it with a lemon, it really gives a good taste. As a matter of fact, because I'm squeezed with time while I was waiting for the oven to go, I made. I'm going to take the salad with me, so I cannot mix the salad with the juice. It will be soggy by the time we get there. Here, I made it in here. There you go. See there? This is the last batch, and total of 12. Making total of 12 pieces. And this one is about to give me a hard time. Why? I'm doing 3 at a time. It's much faster. And one more. Here is the last one. Put them inside. All the wet areas will soak up with the flour and the semolina. Make it rectangular. And then go like this. Go like that. Okay, here we are. Wet all 3 of them. Could have made one more. I'm filling it up as much as I can. I don't want to toss them in the garbage. You can be fat. A little bit for this guy. This guy here. This guy here. Okay. Now that we're done, these are the last ones. And it's too thick now, one of them stick. That's what happens when you overfill. Anyways, let's see. Forgot to put this thing here. There's one there. And this guy over here. Never use wet fingers. No choice. If your fingers are wet, use the other ones. It will open up in the oven anyways. There you go. This is the last one for today. Now, don't forget. What the hell? You have to give it a shower. Egg wash. The whole operation, this one, preparation, cooking and everything, will take an hour. And when you do it, don't do 12 pieces like me. They requested only 12, and I don't want to keep it. Still have a lot of dough that I could make 40. And I bought this, just ordered a machine from Amazon, and to make some dough related things. I was keeping the dough for that purpose actually. Always shake it up. See, this one's sticking. There you go, beautiful. Here, done. Canoe's done. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at these guys here. Yes, people in the back, they're laughing. They're not going to eat anything here. It's not for them. There you go. We have another beautiful day. And what do you need? Now that you've seen how it's done, don't be cheap on spinach and the feta and lemon. Every time you put in any spices in it, taste it. Whatever it tastes is good for you, and that's what you need. You don't need dosage, and people say put 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon. Don't go for that. I only put about 2 cloves of garlic, which is the puree one, olive oil as a 2 tablespoons if you want to call it. And what else I put in there? I added the tomato paste, 3 tablespoons, and then salt. We got salt 3/4 teaspoon, and every other items except sumac is 1 1/4 teaspoon, and the rest is paprika, cumin, citric acid, about half or 3/4 teaspoon. Every time you mix it up, taste it. And one of the items that you need at least 2 tablespoons is the meat seasoning from Cool Running. Start with 1 tablespoon, mix it up, and then see what it needs. And then later on add the, what else you have to add? I just put the oregano for the taste of it. The smell is good. So it always tastes good. So from the garden we have the pepper. Put any pepper you want. I put 2-3 of them. Here is some actually. These are growing right here. You can see them. See? I put one of those, and I put one of those right here. You can see there. These are the backyard ones, and more like tomato. I put in tomato, thyme, basil. They are over there in the pots, all fresh. Whatever you can find, just throw it in. Just make sure that when you put it in, chop it very finely so that it cooks evenly, especially the onion and the pepper. And the tomatoes you put in here, I put 5 pieces, small pieces. You can put more. Take the inside out. Don't leave the juicy part. Juicy part makes it very watery, and you don't want that. Well, this is the part 2. The first part I was doing it cut off. I don't know how to edit, so I end up making it part 2 just for the finish. I want to thank you very much for watching. If you like it, subscribe and click like if you like it. Ring the bell for the next one. I got many videos coming in, and we're going to do pierogi very soon. And also, what else we're going to do? Fattu salad. I don't know if I'm going to, because I'm going to take it away. I don't want to finish it. It's a plain salad. I'll do it another day. Take care. Bye-bye.